What is a ceramic coating? For those of you who don't know me, my name's Austin. I run Fort Worth Auto Detail, and we're just gonna make this quick video, just cover what a ceramic coating is in really basic terms. This isn't gonna be technically or like scientifically correct, but I think this is the easiest way to think about it. And this is basically the conversation I have with all of our clients. So the initial category I like to start off with clients is a wax, okay? Put wax over there, ceramic coating over here. So most people, when you say like, we're gonna wax your vehicle, most people have a concept for that, right? So what do most people think of when you're gonna wax your vehicle? Well, it's gonna be shiny, easier to clean, repel water, bugs, dust, dirt, that's not an R, dirt, yada, 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 right? At a minimum, that's kind of what most people think of, right? So what a ceramic coating is take all of this and amplify it by about 10 times, okay? Again, chemically, they're gonna be a little bit different, but put that aside. If you look at what they do and what the big benefit for you is, the consumer, it's a wax on steroids, okay? So you get all of this at a way higher level for a much longer period of time. Most carnauba-based waxes, 3 months durability. There's coatings that have 10-year guarantees. So, I mean, again, you're talking like 3 months, 10 years, okay? And you get all of this at a much, much higher level. And in a nutshell, that's the whole pitch of a ceramic coating is, hey, you can wax your car to death or just coat it and you get all of this, but way better for way longer. So again, want to keep this a little short, but hopefully that makes sense. And like I said, I think this is the easiest framework to kind of think about a ceramic coating. So if you're thinking about a ceramic coating for your vehicle, we'd love to talk more in depth about it. And if you have any questions, let us know.